Hello, Owlettes. We're gonna play a game. It's called What's Missing. Let's see what we have here. We have a truck, we have a train, and we have a turtle. These all start with the same sound, the t, t. T, you're right. All right, I'm gonna cover them up. Okay, close your eyes and I'm gonna take one away. What's missing? Which one? We have a truck, and we have a turtle. What's missing? That's right, the train. Okay, we'll do it again. All right, Owlettes, which one's missing? Which one? We have a truck, a train. That's right, the turtle's missing. All right, we'll do it again, one last time. Okay, what's missing? That's right, the truck. Did you get it right every time? Tell me in the comments. Goodbye.